Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to see the content of Parquet file on Mac. The first step is you need to install Brew on your laptop. If it's not installed, you can just go to the Brew website and get it installed. This is the first step. And after the Brew is installed, you can install the Parquet CLI using Brew. And then after that, you can just list the content of the file using the Parquet command. So let's just go to the Brew website first if it's not installed already, and I can show how you can install it. So let's just go to the browser and see the steps to install the Brew. So here I'm on the Brew website, and then you can scroll down and see here they have listed the command for the Mac. So this is the command to download Brew. You can just copy and paste. And let's just go to the terminal now and paste the command which you just copied from the website and hit enter. It's asking for the laptop password. I'm gonna add that. Okay, so installation has been started. It will take a couple of seconds to finish the installation. So let's just wait for that. Almost finished. So it has been successfully installed on your laptop. So let's just run which brew. Okay, so it's listing the installation path for you. Now the brew is installed. Let's just quickly go to the download and try to open the file, Parquet file. So it's complaining that there is no application to open this document. It means you cannot open the Parquet file. So now I'm going to terminal and running brew install Parquet CLI. This is the main command here. After you have the brew, you need to install the Parquet CLI. So installation has been started. It will take a couple of minutes to finish the installation. Okay, so it's finished. Now run Parquet and then space head and space path to the file. I'm already in my download directory, so I'm just pasting the file name. So this is the command to see the content of Parquet. So I'm using the command Parquet here, and then I'm saying head. Head basically means it will show you the top records of the file. And here you can see how your files look like. So these are the rows of your files. Top rows because we are running the head command. That's it for this video. I hope you find the content useful. Thank you so much for watching.